Hey guys, in this video, I'm gonna take you behind the scenes with me as I do my first live HSN demo from my kitchen. A lot of excitement going on. Check it out. Okay, so basically what we wanna do is we're gonna have the 2 prep and chop set up here, and then the changeover is gonna be quick. So then we're gonna move in the 3rd line. I'm gonna have the tools here. We'll have all the food in front. We're gonna fill this about this high with the chopped romaine. Okay, so this is gonna be prep and chop, throw it in here. This is the pre-show test, because I know that things don't spill the food prep lid, but crazy things happen on live TV, so let's see. Ha! Right on. I'm setting up my lights for my live appearance, just like I showed you guys. Okay, everyone, lights going on, watch your eyes. Am I reflecting in the horses?
Yes.
Okay, great. So we just have to move all this out of the way. Everything for the board demo and the knife demo is all coming here. And then food prep lids, we're gonna keep the board and we're gonna bring that tray over. I'm gonna be like surrounded in produce. My happy place. So we haven't paid Hellman's for letting us use their mayonnaise on camera. So what we do, this is what we do on every show I've ever done. You basically change the name by using a Sharpie and just writing on it. So now it's called Lan Rye May-Eyes. Thank you, Lan Rye. At this point, we're gonna be doing a little bit of what they call winging it.
Doing a product line like this, doing a culinary line to make our lives easier in the kitchen has been a lifelong dream of mine. I have scraps of paper and all these little Post-its and sticky notes all over my house with different ideas and designs, and this is my patented cutting board.
It was so much fun spending time with you today, Laura.
Oh my gosh, Marlo, this was such a blast. Thank you so much for having me.
Okay, how do we do? First time doing one of these in my own kitchen. I mean, like a live HSN. That was, I don't know, you guys let me know how we did. That felt really good though. Thank you so much. I hope you enjoyed the video, and subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you know when I put up another one. See you guys next time.